Go to Chrome. Search this https://share.payoneer.com. Click Register. Click Freelancer. Click which write, get paid and make payment. Again click Register. Fill like this. After filling, click Next. Country, Ethiopia. Street and number, I fill Bowl Road. If you want fill the another one. Zip code of Addis Ababa, 1000. Fill your phone number. Click Send code. Fill the code from Message. Click Next. Fill the password, which again remember. Again fill, enter password. Choose security, question always remind. Fill security, answer. Choose the type which you can do right, ID number. Click Next. Fill bank name, account holder name, and SWIFT code. If you need any type of Bank of SWIFT code search. Click Submit. Our application is completed. Click 3 line on top and choose account. Fill the email which use it in this account and password. Click Sign in. Click Turn on. Fill the code from your message. Click Submit. Save the code. Click OK. Click Update. Fill all the security questions and answer them. Click Change. Fill the code and click Submit. Click Done. Click Let's Go. The account is completely created. After this, in another video, we see how to link Payoneer to PayPal. If you have any question, write on a comment and like my video.